This is your Weather Authority forecast with Chief Meteorologist Brian Neudorff.
Well, it is icy out there. We've got snow, we've got freezing rain. Pretty soon we might even have rain, hopefully sooner rather than later. Here's what we have on Pinpoint Doppler. And first of all, I want to thank all the people on Facebook. Been putting some video updates out there all night long, and everybody's been responding about giving me information, especially from Buell to Hagerman on 30 there. Just it's a sheet of ice, basically what they're saying. And if you don't have to travel, especially now, I just stepped outside, kind of touched some of the exposed surfaces of the railings out there on the sidewalk and the steps. Sheet of ice, just a nice glaze. Wind chills are the same way. That is going to make for some very nasty travel conditions here as we go throughout this evening. You can have some areas of darker shades of blue, and that's all coming into this area where we're going to get the freezing rain. I don't want you to be left out over towards the eastern Idaho either, over towards the Minnecaja area. So we're going to take a look here at what we have. And again, Rupert, Minidoka, Burley, we continue to see snow, but eventually in the next hour or two, you'll start to see that changeover if you haven't already when it comes to that wintry mix. Here's what we have on your temperatures, and this is the big reason why. You've got liquid falling through temperatures that are about 26 degrees Twin Falls, 21 Jerome. It has been rising over the last several hours. At this time, we were about 23 degrees when we went on the air at 6 o'clock. We've only gone up 3 degrees, but they are going up. Now, Joe and Amy asked a great question. Why ice? Why is it at 26 degrees happening? Well, it's a very, very small layer of freezing temperatures or below freezing just at the surface. The rest of it above it is above freezing, and it falls completely as rain. By the time it hits that very shallow freezing level of temperatures, it can't freeze fast enough. It freezes instantly on the surface, roadways, untreated surfaces, and that's why you get the glazing of ice. We have all of this winter weather advisories in place, a winter storm warning, all going until Friday morning. So hopefully we'll get temperatures to warm up by, say, 32 degrees by morning, but it continue to watch all this precipitation flow in here as temperatures continue to rise. So let's time things out for you on Futurecaster. 6 a.m., hopefully from Burley to Twin Falls, we're looking at rain showers as temperatures should get into the mid-30s. A little bit of snow towards Jerome, Shoshone, Minidoka, and then by, say, 11 a.m., we're looking at mostly rain here in the valley. Some of the mountains still seeing a little bit of that snow. Now that warm front that's going to bring warmer temperatures comes back south by Friday evening, and it turns into, well, snow once again. And that cold air that we had comes back just in time for the weekend. We don't have snow, but we're going to have cold temperatures. Futurecaster temperatures warming up from 29 to 35 degrees through 7 o'clock. And of course, if we do have closings, tune in to Rise and Shine tomorrow morning. They'll keep you updated as well as on KMBT.com. By 2 o'clock, we're at 45 degrees. And then as we continue to make our way into your Saturday, high temperatures once again back to only the 20s. So here's a look at your forecast for tonight. Snow showers, 1 to 2 inches are possible, 19 degrees in the Wood River Valley. Snow over to a wintry mix, 28 degrees, and that wintry mix is possible in the Minnecaja region. Then for tomorrow, snow over to a mix of snow and rain, maybe an additional inch, 38, high of 45 before it becomes all rain. It's a wintry mix in the morning and the Minnecaja region, 44 degrees. Now here's your Middlecoff Auto Group 7-day forecast. We're at 28 Saturday, 29 on Sunday, but Monday, Tuesday, 34 and 40 degrees. And then as you look here at what we have for the mountains, 38 degrees, snow showers, but dry, but cold for the weekend. And then Monday, Tuesday, 30 and 35 degrees. Just be careful out on the area roadways. It is slick, hazardous. If you don't have to travel, don't. There's a look at your forecast.